Since the repeal of the draconian and apartheid-era's Aliens Control Act, we witnessed the arrival of the much-needed Immigration Act 13 of 2002 and its further attempts in its amendment in 2004 to usher in efficient, rational, and simplified requirements to introduce a foreigner-friendly immigration policy. Such Immigration Act was patently clear in its stated intentions by acknowledging the much-needed introduction of foreign skills and investment into South Africa within a human rights environment to counter the vacuum of global skills and the brain drain in South Africa. However, as of the 22nd of May 2014, when the new immigration regulations of 2014 were published to take effect on the 26th of May of 2014, such progress has been blighted by the Ministry of Home Affairs, who, through unfettered bureaucratic and nationalistic arrogance, has sought to realign itself with those dark days of apartheid to chase away all foreigners without remorse. This could be understood in the past when the apartheid government made no bones about its immigration policies. If you were white and had money, you could enter. If you were black and could work on the mines and the farms in South Africa, you could enter on a seasonal basis. However, if you were none of the aforementioned, you would not be welcome to enter without any specific reasons. Unfortunately, on the 26th of May 2014, with the reintroduction of apartheid-oriented draconian enforcement rights in favor of immigration officials and stifling overly bureaucratic and unreasonable permitting requirements for skilled and investment-oriented foreign workers, our immigration policy has regressed back to the Dark Ages. What is a surprise is that the Minister of Home Affairs has gone on record to suggest that the new immigration machinery has ushered in a new era of efficient and sound international migration policy. Yet, our minister has merely amended the prevailing Immigration Act, contradicting herself with the stated intentions of human rights and simplified immigration policies, with spectacular failure for all to see. Craig Smith and Associates will have none of this, and will challenge this ill-considered and repressive immigration law to ensure that the Ministry of Home Affairs is brought to account for its most evil laws. If only our government would appreciate that jobs for all South Africans will be increased not through small-sided and ill-considered immigration legislation, but by proper economic growth and competitiveness in the global community. But it is unlikely that the government will ever admit its failures.